legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's real. Escape reality.
Hello guys, once again welcome back to your own channel. I hope you are well. Guys, in this video I will show you that how you can get apply official dark mode to your iPhone. You can see guys, recently I have applied dark mode in this device. Basically guys, this is only iPhone 6, but guys I am using official dark mode in this device. For example guys, if I will click on my settings application, for example guys, if I click on setting, as you can see guys, this is changed into dark mode. So how you can get these types of customization and how you can get official dark mode to your iPhone, any iPhone like iPhone 5s to iPhone X. I mean guys, iOS 11, 12, 13 and also guys 14. So basically guys, I will show you preview what I'm trying to say you guys. For example guys, I will open this Safari browser. You can see guys, it also change into dark mode. And also for example guys, if I open this email, also guys change into dark mode. So how you can get, you can see guys, if I click on my gallery application, also change into dark mode, and all application will change into the dark mode. You can see guys, the App Store also change into the dark mode. So how you can get these types of customization and also how you can get this customization, how you can get these settings to your iPhone. I hope guys you will like this video. Basically guys, whenever I will swipe down, you can see guys, here is showing like dark mode button has available. Guys, if I click on this, it will automatically change into normal mode. You can see guys, now guys it is changed into normal. It means guys white mode. So if I want to enable again dark mode, then guys I need to just tap on again on this button. After guys it will change into the dark mode. So how you can get these types of settings to your iPhone in just one click. So guys, I hope you will like this video. Guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel firstly if you are new here, and also guys smash that the like button if you will like this video. So let's start without any further delay. So first of all guys, you have to just go to your Cydia application. Guys, you can see guys, I have installed Cydia. Guys, if you don't know that how you can get installed Cydia and how you can jailbreak your iPhone, basically guys, firstly you have to jailbreak your iPhone. Guys, after that guys, you will get installed Cydia to your iPhone. Guys, I have already made a video on this topic, that how you can jailbreak their device with the helping of Encore application. So guys, if you have not watched that video in which I have explained that how you can jailbreak your device without any laptop and PC, guys, I will give that video link in my description, so go and watch that video link. After that guys, you will get Cydia to your iPhone after jailbreaking your device. So simply guys, when you have successfully installed Cydia to your iPhone, simply guys click on Cydia and just hold on guys. And guys, after open the Cydia application, simply guys you have to click on this search button and click on search bar, and now guys you have to type a tweak that's name is Noctis 12. So guys, this is a tweak that's name is Noctis 12. So I hope guys you will understand. Just hold on guys. Firstly I will let me type this tweak. So guys, this is a tweak, just name is, just hold on guys, Noctis. So you can see that this is a tweak that's name is Noctis 12. So simply guys, you have to click on modify button. After clicking on modify guys, here is showing like install button. Guys, I have already installed this, that's why here is showing reinstall, but guys in your case it will show here install button. Simply guys, firstly you have to install this tweak, and after installing this tweak you have to just go to your settings application, and now guys you have to just go to your general section, and now guys firstly you have to find this tweak where you have downloaded. For example guys, this is a tweak which we have downloaded from Cydia application. So simply guys click on this, and now guys you have to make sure you enable this. After enable this guys, you have to just click on, and now guys go to back home screen, and now guys you have to find the settings. For example guys, we want to add these settings to your control bar. So simply guys you have to find the control center to your device. For example guys, click on control center, click on customize controls, and now guys you have to add these tweaks. For example guys, you can see guys, I have already add this Noctis toggle on my control bar. So simply guys, firstly I will remove this, and after guys I will again add this. You can see guys, this is a Noctis toggle. So simply guys tap on here, and now guys it will add it successfully on my control panel. So guys, whenever I will swipe down, for example guys, now if I want to, for example guys, you can see guys, if I click on these settings, now guys I have applied because, and now guys if I want to disable this, guys if I want to disable this dark mode, then guys I need to just guys swipe up, and now guys I will show you that you have to just click on this button, and after guys it will automatically change into normal mode. So guys, this is the way guys you can get applied dark mode in just one click. You can, I hope guys you would have liked this video. If you have any inquiry and question guys, then feel free to comment down in the comment box. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, share, stay tuned.